How to use TikTok templates. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to use TikTok templates, but before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. So first, of course, open up the TikTok app and then tap the plus sign in the bottom menu. Now select templates in the bottom right hand corner. There are several template styles to choose from. Swipe sideways to check out a sample of each template and see which one you like best. Each template will be labelled with its name and how many images you can add to it. Once you've picked one you like, tap Upload Photos. Now select the photos from your device that you would want to include in this slideshow. Then tap OK. TikTok will process the photos and place them into the template automatically in the order you selected them. Once it's done, you can add filters, text, voiceover, and other effects as you would with any other TikTok. When you're done editing, you can go ahead and post your finished TikTok. These templates make it super easy to quickly create awesome, polished videos with just a few clicks. And that's all it takes to use TikTok templates. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.